3,000 subscribers, guys, in just 2 days. Is that not massive? If you are actually struggling with getting subscribers on YouTube, whether you've been on this YouTube for some time now or you are a new creator, trust me, getting subscribers just got easier. You heard me right. I saw this update last 2 days and I've used this update on my skincare channel. You guys already know that I have 3 channels, right? So there's this one of my YouTube channel I normally post about skincare. That channel has been in existence since 2018, but I've been struggling with, getting 1,000 subscribers. Like, I've been struggling. I've tried the Instagram Shorts. There's nothing I've not tried on that channel, but it has been stuck on 400 subscribers for years. Guys, I just decided to try this update, this method, after seeing it in this particular channel, this bookie. I'll be putting her channel. That was where I saw it. So I tried it for the first time and then it didn't actually give me the result that I wanted. Then I decided to, tweak it a little bit and then it worked for me. So as I'm talking to you now, that channel is on its way to almost 3K subscribers just within 2 days, guys. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video because I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can do it, like step by step, because if you don't do it the right way, you're not going to see subscribers. That's just the truth. Okay, so guys, let's go straight into it without taking much of your time.
So what you're going to do is you're going to head straight to your YouTube app, okay, and then you go ahead and click on the search bar and type Luna Box Us. You're going to see this is the channel. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys, at least, gratitude. So I'm already subscribed. What you're going to do then, next you go to the shorts, okay, then you click on the popular shorts. You're going to see he has a lot of shorts, 16 million, 10 million. Then you select any popular one. The first short is not working, but for anything from the second short it works. But on this case, I'm going to be using the latest short because that was what actually worked for me in my own case. So I'm going to pick any of these latest shorts. That's the shorts that he created within 2 to 3 months or a month ago. And I'm going to just select anyone and click on it. Okay, you're going to, allow it load. You'll see something like this. What you're going to be doing next is you're going to click down. You'll see something like this. You screenshot it. I know why I'm saying you guys should screenshot it. Screenshotting is very important. Next, you're going to do is to copy what is in the description box, exactly what the owner of this video wrote in his description box. That's what you're going to be copying. I'm going to show you guys what you're going to do with it later. After copying, you head back to the video, then you click on this remix, please. After clicking, you see the collab icon. Click on the collab, then you check up, you see 15 seconds. Click on that 15 seconds. After clicking on it, to turn to 60 seconds, then you drag it down so that you can get the complete video and react to it. After that, you click on next and then you allow it to load. Okay, once it's done loading, you're going to see something like this. It's going to be showing yourself in the other side and then the other side the video you're collabing with. So you go ahead and click on the red button and then you start reacting. Automatically, and even if you're saying something, you will not be heard. Your voice will be muted. It's just whatever that is happening in that video that will be heard. So you just go ahead and keep on reacting, and be following along with whatever they're saying in the video. Just be vibing along, and all that. Okay, keep on reacting till the 60 seconds of the video is exhausted. Okay, now when you're done, this is now the time to use that screenshot, exactly the title that the owner of the video wrote. Go to the screenshot and check. That's the same thing you're going to write as your own title. All right, make sure that everything, even the emoji, everything should be exactly. Then you do other things. Make sure that no altered content, and make sure your video is on private. Then go ahead and select your thumbnail. Then you can write something related to the video, just somewhere above your head and all that. Make sure that whatever you're writing is related to the video, because this is a kind of a game and interactive video. So you can go ahead and upload. After uploading, he will just kind of allow it to upload. So guys, as it's uploading, let me just show you guys. These are the ones that I did yesterday, okay, and it's really giving me views. It's really giving me views. So this is it. So after it's done uploading, you just go ahead and let me just show you guys again. This particular one, look at it. This was the one I did yesterday. It gave me almost 45 views, as you guys can see. Yeah. So now let's go back to the video that we're done downloading. So you click on the edit icon, then you come to the description box. Now that thing that we copied in the description, you're going to paste it inside the description box exactly the way the owner of the video did. Then you change the privacy to public. Okay, after that, make sure that every other thing is in check, and you can go ahead and click on save, and your video will be uploaded automatically. Guys, this collab works very well. It's going to give you so many subscribers. Like, if you do it the right way, you're going to get so many subscribers. Make sure that in a day, at least post like 2 to 4. If you can do 6, fine.
So guys, that is it. Go and rush. Go and search Luna Box Us. Search on your search bar or search Prosperity X. Okay, use any of their popular shots. Even though in my own case, when I used the popular shots, it didn't work for me. What actually worked for me was the recent, that's the latest shot that the Luna Box Us actually posted. That was the one that went viral, that gave me almost 1,200 subscribers. Like, just one shot gave me 1,200 subscribers, and the other shots were giving me 434 subscribers, 200 subscribers, 300 subscribers, and that was how I was able to hit almost 3,000 subscribers within 2 days in that my skincare channel. Guys, as I'm talking to you now, the only thing I need now is my watch hours, and I'm going to start going live. Go and try this update, and when it works for you, come back here and let me know in the comment section. And also, if you have a channel that is up to 400 or 500 subscribers, it's going to even work faster. You will achieve the result faster. But if you are within 200 subscribers and below, yours might take a little more time. Just like this particular channel, I just tried this update in this particular channel. The screenshot I showed to you guys, I just started it yesterday. So let's see how today's one will go. Guys, just go and try it. And another method you can use is go and look for creators that are in the same niche as you are. Okay, and then look for their popular shot. Like, for example, I told you guys that that particular channel is a skincare channel. I do skincare stuffs there. That channel has been in existence even before this one, but guys, I was never monetized in that channel. That was my second YouTube channel. This is the third one that I'm doing. So guys, I started searching for people in my own niche, and then I searched for their popular shots. That's their shots that are doing very well. Then I collaborated. Okay, I collaborated with those shots, and it actually gave me subscribers, but it didn't give me much like that. I was scared to collab with people that are not in my niche, so I just wanted to maintain my niche so that I will not mess the algorithm up. So that was the one I was using initially. It was giving me subscribers quite okay. It was giving me like 45, 35, 20 subscribers, and it was really working. So I just, well, after watching Bookie's video, I decided to a kind of, let me just go out of my niche, because I really want to be careful with that channel, especially now that they're deleting people's channel. So I really wanted to be careful. And then I now went ahead. I now tried this. I now use this particular viral video from the Luna Box Us. I used his channel. I subscribed to his channel, and then I used one of the video. Guys, that video gave me 1,200 plus subscribers. Like, I'm not kidding. I am not kidding. As I'm talking to you now, I don't think now that I'm even up to 3,000 subscribers on that channel, because I'm sure by now it should be up to 3,000 subscribers. Because before I started filming this video, I had almost 2,950 subscribers. I'm sure before the end of this video, I should have almost 3,000 subscribers. So all I want to be focusing on now is how to get my watch hours. Guys, I'm so excited. Like, that channel has been there for so long, like since 2018, and I couldn't monetize. There's nothing I didn't do. Guys, I tried everything and it was not just working. So I'm so happy now that I'm able to get my subscribers. Like, 3,000 subscribers, guys, in just 2 days. Is that not massive? So I'll just, allow it to, keep piling. And mind you, I'm still posting my long form content in that channel. So when it gets to a particular stage, maybe when I get to 4,000 or 5,000 subscribers, I'll delete the shorts because those shorts keeps on sending subscribers. That's the, adverse effect of those shorts. They will keep giving you subscribers, guys. They will keep giving you subscribers, guys, until you are tired and then you decide to delete those videos. So guys, depending on whatever you want to do, you can use it and get your subscribers, and then when you're done, you can delete those videos. So guys, you can go ahead and try it, and if it works for you, you can go ahead and delete those videos and focus on your niche. Okay, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. And if you're still yet to subscribe to this channel, please guys, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video and also turn on your notification, because I'll be giving you guys back-to-back updates on how to grow your channel. If you're a new creator or you are a struggling creator, guys, just stick to this channel, okay? And don't forget to turn on your notification so that anytime I upload new content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. See you guys in our next video. Bye.